How to maximize embed code in Wix Studio. So in order to maximize your embed code, what you can do is you first need to head over and then create one. For example, click onto this plus icon in order to add a code. So for this, click onto this embed code that you can see right here and click onto this embed HTML. Click on it and it should be added right here. So you can move it first wherever you want. So as you can see, it's showing an error first, but don't worry because you can enter a code. So you can also enter a website address right here. So just input right here your code. Make sure that it's HTTPS only because it only actually accepts that kind of code. After you have done that, click onto this apply option. Let me input right here code. Click onto this update and you can also input right here an alt for that. So as you can see, it should appear right here after you have inputted and maximized it. So that's how you maximize embed code in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.